In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and publish a free product on Gumroad from start to finish. Start by heading to Gumroad and opening your dashboard. This is your home base where you can manage everything you sell. From here, navigate to the Products section. You'll see an option to create something new. Click on New Product to begin. A setup window will appear asking for the name and type of your product. Choose a clear, simple title that tells people exactly what they're getting, and select the product type that best fits what you're offering, like a digital file or a course. This helps Gumroad set up the right fields for you later. Next, set the price to $0. This makes the product free, which is perfect for freebies, lead magnets, or sample content. Setting it to 0 means buyers can access it without entering payment details, which removes friction and boosts downloads. Once that's done, click Next to move into the details. Here, fill in all the necessary information for your product page. Write a concise, benefit-focused description that explains what the product is, who it's for, and how it helps. Include any important notes like file format, length, or version so buyers know what to expect. If there's a place to add a short summary or tagline, use it to hook attention. Keep your language clear and buyer-friendly. If you have visuals, such as a cover image or mock-ups, include them to make the page more appealing and credible. Strong visuals can significantly improve conversions for free products too. When your details look good, click on Content. This is where you upload your actual product files. Choose the final polished version. PDFs, zip files, images, or videos are all supported. Name your files clearly so buyers recognize what they've downloaded right away. If your product includes multiple files, organize them neatly before uploading so the experience is smooth and professional. Give the upload a moment to process and confirm everything appears as expected. Before wrapping up, take a quick breath and review the title, description, and files for accuracy and consistency. Small tweaks here can go a long way toward making your product feel professional and trustworthy. When you're happy with everything, click Publish and you're done. Your free product is now live and ready for people to access. That's the entire process, from dashboard to published product. Set at $0 for easy, instant downloads.